Morning, kitty, kitty, kitty. Morning. Morning, kitty, kitty, kitty. Morning.
Oset, oset, oset. Asa, asa, asa. Oset, oset, oset. Asa, asa, asa. Here, 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 here. Ah, yes. Thank you for this beautiful day in Vilinganga. Nomkhubulwane siyabonga. Buddha consciousness, Buddha consciousness. Thank you for all of the beautiful souls that are a part of my Sangha, that are a part of this beautiful community that goes out into the world and blesses life. Thank you, universe. Thank you, life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Look at my handsome, handsome Russian man. Oh, yeah. Look at him, look at him. Look, he's making breakfast for us. Oh, yeah. So excited to have his breakfast. Look at this beautiful Mechi. Yes. She's cooking there. Wake up each morning and give thanks for the beautiful day. Give thanks for the food that nourishes your body. Give thanks for all of the beautiful souls that you get to engage with. Give thanks, give thanks, give thanks. So this is our kitchen with the monks and the nuns. See? Outside. Forest nun. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We are going on a nun and monk adventure. You know, we hardly leave the temple, honestly. Whether you're living in a nunnery or whether you're living in a temple or monastery, you hardly leave. You spend like 6 to 8 hours chanting or meditating, or working with the children, or something to this effect, or cleaning, or cooking, something like this. We are going out for an outing because this nice lady who owns a hotel wanted us to come and chant. Oh, I need to go fetch my chanting box. Sawadika! Oh, look at how pretty they are. Oh,
Where?
Oh, we need to
old
take.
monk now he's like we do it.
He's there. No, he's there.
Oh, Bob.
Yeah. So I need to go take my chanting books. But we, there's a nice lady who wanted us to come and chant, and she was going to make us lunch, vegan lunch. I said, oh, yeah, so now we're going to go. And my Pa'ajan, Pa'ajan means like monk or nun teacher. Yeah, that's what it means, Pa'ajan. Monk or nun teacher. He's very international. He travels around the world. He's like very open-minded, very, very open-minded. And he's like, yeah, we must do this. I think this is the only temple, well, yeah, in the south of Thailand that has like a lot of foreigners, international foreigners as monks and nuns. Most of the other temples is just Thai monks and nuns. This one is the only one, I think. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that fully. But this one is majority phalanx. They call them phalanx. Foreigners. Most of the other temples, it's the locals. It's like Thai people, which is not bad. But if you're not fluent in Thai, it's difficult, right? So Pa'ajan speaks fluent English. And so it's just perfect. It's perfect. So we're going out on an outing. I'm really excited to go out on an outing. Yo, I am so excited to go out on an outing. Can you imagine? I'm excited to go out on an outing. Really, it is time to go out on the town and go have some hotel food. Let's go. Here's our ride. We're gonna get into this ride. Can you see? We're gonna get into the back.
นั่งได้ค่ะให้ผู้ชายนั่งตรงข้างตรงเนี้ย
เอวา
you come here because man cannot sit with me you come here
More prayer, more power. 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 No prayer, no power. Got a house, apartment, a crib. Why you can't pray, can't pray, can't pray? Do car, truck, a whip. But you can't pray, can't pray, can't pray. Going on expensive trips. Why you can't pray, can't pray, can't pray? Looking good, your diamonds drip. But you can't pray, can't pray, can't pray. No prayer, pray, no 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 pray. You want some answers, yeah, you want some answers to what you're after. Tell me what you're after. I got the answers to what you're after. Meditate it, it's in your prayers. When you pray, it's power. More prayer, more power. More prayer, more power. When you pray, it's power. When you meditate, you elevate. No prayer, no power. Got food on the table. Why you can't pray, can't pray, can't pray? Got money in the bank. But you can't pray, can't pray, can't pray. Got everything you need. Why you can't pray, can't pray, can't pray? Take a moment, give thanks. Take a moment, give thanks. But you can't pray, can't pray, can't pray. Take a moment, pray, pray. Get the bird, get the flame, pray. No prayer, pray, no pray. Nobody alright. Take a moment, give thanks. No pray. Get the bird, get the flame, pray. Take a moment, pray, no pray. Take a moment, give thanks. Take a moment, give thanks. No prayer. Give thanks. No prayer. Give thanks. No prayer. Give thanks. When you pray, no prayer. Give thanks. When you pray, no power. More prayer, more power. More prayer, more power. Give thanks. No prayer. No prayer. More prayer, more power. No prayer, no power. It's no good when you're not making time, making time, making time. It's no good when you're not making time, when you're not making time. No prayer. It's no good. No prayer. When you're not making time, making time, making time. No prayer. It's no good. No prayer. When you're not making time, when you're not making time. It's no good, no good when you're not making time, making time, making time. It's no good, no good when you're not making time, when you're not making time. It's no good, no good when you're not making time, making time, making time. It's no good, no good when you're not making time, when you're not making time.
Nandivatano evam tavam vichayo ho vichaya suchaya mangale parajitapannam kesi sepata vipokale abhiseke sampaputtanam akapapto pamosati sunakatam sumangalam supahalam sumutitang suhano sumuhutto sasuhitang brahmachari supatakinang kaya kamang vaja kamang patakinang mano kamang panitite patakina nikatawan dalapan kaki
Panang tine.
Hey, good luck, good health, good life to you. I love this day too.
What's your business? I really Really, I'm grateful. I'm grateful to be a part of a Sangha with practical spirituality, where we can go and bless businesses. And there is a tangible, measurable result to our prayers and our blessings. Spirituality is truly about honoring the God within each being, even the business owner. And I really enjoy working with business owners that understand the importance of putting God first, or the universe first, the Buddha first, Yeshua, Asa, Hir, Oset, Lord Krishna, Kalima, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Tare Ture Soha, Om Tare Ture Soha, Om Tare Ture Soha, White Buffalo Woman. When you find yourself working with business owners that understand the mystical and the mysticism of the energy of money, the energy of success, it's so much easier for the business to become successful. Honor those that carry the blessings within them. They are there to bless your way forward. Honor them. I'm so grateful for Pajan Maitri for reminding me how practical spirituality is, and so it is.